What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be working on the lip kit, for the most part finishing it up. I'm going to be wrapping that bottom section of the rear lip kit. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm going to show you exactly what we're talking about right now. But as you guys saw in my previous video, I started cutting out that third brake light and molding it. Well, let me show you what we have now, and let me just say I'm so happy for it. I think it looks so good. Hopefully you guys like it as well. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick. So I pretty much have everything wet sanded. I got primer down here again, just to you know, make sure all the low spots, or not all the low spots, sorry, all the scratches and everything are filled in. But we wet sanded everything. But here is the third brake light. As you can see, we have that section. The part actually, it comes apart. So I took it apart. This is molded in. That way, if I ever need to remove it, I can. I just have to take off those screws from the opposite side. And yeah, so everything is molded in place. I'm super happy. So I'm about to wrap all of this right now. Let me go ahead and show you with what vinyl. Alright guys, so here's the vinyl. It's black, but it has a, I don't know how well you can see, it does have a pearl in it. It's the same wrap as my roof. Also, the wrap came with a glove, which is really cool because I lost mine, a squeegee, a knife, another one of these prong prior things, and then a cleaning adhesive promoter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put you guys on a time lapse for the whole rest of this video, and we're gonna get this entire thing wrapped. Usually I don't make videos like that, but I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. I need to sand this little section right here and this little piece right here really quickly, and then we're gonna jump into it.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
I'm so happy right now. It looks beautiful. There are obviously some imperfections, some dust under the vinyl, and then there are some bubbles as well. But as it heats up in the garage, it'll lay out. That's how my roof was as well. There was a lot of bubbles in there. I went through and kind of stuck a little pin in there and popped them all, most of them. But there were still some. But over time, it flattened out pretty nicely. So same thing with this, and also where I shave, you can see the reflection's not perfect right here. It's not the vinyl, it's the bodywork right here and right here, but you're not gonna see it at all because once it's up, it's gonna pretty much look like that. So I went ahead and post-heated everything, flipped it over, post-heated all the bottom so nothing comes up. Same thing all in here. I have an inlay right along in here. So I have the piece that comes over, it folds in a little bit. I cut it about right there, put an inlay in, and then, so that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I'll probably post-heat and the corners a little bit more. This came out good. What I actually did was, I didn't even have to make any relief cuts, but I did, just to make sure since the exhaust is gonna be going there. So I went ahead and threw in a few relief cuts. No big deal, you're not gonna see it. And it stops right here because you don't see any of this anyways. But there it is, guys. I am so freaking hyped on this. I can't wait to get it on. And I'm probably going to recut this. I don't know yet because it's kind of under the lip. And then I'll probably just mask it off, and then that's when I'll paint everything. But comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is officially a 1-of-1 rear G35 lip kit piece out there. There's nobody else with this. Like I said, when I first bought this lip, there is one guy who has this lip, and then so we both have the same lip. But as far as shaving it, making it a single exit, and then not only that, but doing this, not just throwing the third brake light in somewhere and screwing it on, we actually made a housing for it. It's a 1-of-1, and I'm happy. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like it as well. But I cannot wait to see it on the car. I'm so excited. Now I just have to figure out how to wire it all up and all of that good stuff. But make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. It looks so good. Oh man, I'm happy. If you guys like this, make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you guys aren't already. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know all of it was a time lapse, but I wanted to kind of make a different type of video, and I just wanted to time lapse getting it done rather than, you know, cutting you guys off in between every now and then. Like, alright guys, so this is what I'm going to go ahead and do now, blah, 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 blah. Just straight to the point, get it wrapped, call it done. I'm happy. So now that this is done, we can officially now start prepping it. I could prep it on the car, but I'll probably prep it a little bit off the car. It'll just probably make it a little easier. Start prepping it for paint, get it molded onto the bumper probably in the next video, or I'll probably do all of that off camera and then just update you guys as I kind of go with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up, and if you guys like it, smash that thumbs up. I am so happy, guys. I've never seen a G35 with this, and it honestly looks almost just factory. So I'm super stoked. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I hope to catch you all in the next one, and until next time, as always, peace out.